YouTube, YouTube. What's up, people? What's going on? It's your boy Mario Add Water. Alright. Changed the name from Add Water to Kicks. To Add Water Vids. I'm still do videos on sneakers and stuff like that. But I want to expand, do something a little different. Cause quite honestly, the sneaker game, far as reviewing sneakers and stuff like that, not to say people can't do it and new people can't come into doing it like myself, but you really got to do some stuff that's gonna stand out. And cause dang near everybody doing it. You know what I'm saying? And it's only so much room for people to come in and talk about a particular subject or matter and everything like that. We are in the podcast era, so it's a lot of people that got podcasts and stuff like do well, but I just feel like sneakers, reviewing sneakers and everything like that, you really, like I said, you really got to do something that stand out. And I'm not that passionate about it. So, I talk about it because that's my love and it's something for me to do. But anyway, I figure I just do like different stuff, different content and everything. Like I said, majority, yeah, it'd be sneakers and stuff like that because that is a thing for me. My passion is buying them. My passion is having them. Speaking about them really ain't a passion that I have. But anyway, so today, it ain't even really a walkthrough or a tutorial or nothing like that. It's kind of just to show y'all. So I'm switching out a cabin air filter for my wife. Infiniti, they suck. They suck. Or at least how they did this version. You know what I'm saying? It's a QX60. And so, as you can see, stuff taken apart. Cabin air filter. Anyway, I just want to talk about it briefly. I wanted to really vent. Shout out to the Stars Born, you know what I'm saying? Sports Illustrated, Air Jordan 1 High, OGs, you know what I'm saying? On feet. Gotta give y'all that right quick. Gotta give y'all that. Give y'all that. But anyway, back to the subject at hand. So, changing out the cabin air filter. When I tell you this is a tough job. I'm not even going to exaggerate. But if you're trying to save some money, especially, a couple of $100, then it's the way to go. And that's what me and my wife about doing, saving as much money as we possibly can. So what you're looking at, I had to take the glove compartment off. You'll see a lot of videos. Well, I saw a lot of videos when looking up how to do it. And they were not very helpful. I mean, they were helpful far as just showing you how hard it's going to be, but far as like just offering a better or an easier solution to doing it, it really was none. I took it upon myself to just go ahead and take this down because of where the cabin filter is located. And a video far as taking this down to get to it popped up after the fact. So, but yeah, it was beforehand. It was videos. You gotta go all back here and put. And I'm like, look, man, I have no problem with a little elbow grease and roll up my sleeves, but stuff got to make sense. So Infiniti, if anybody works for Infiniti or whatever, y'all suck. Y'all clearly know what y'all doing. That's why y'all charge what $139 or whatever y'all charge to get this done. Because of the simple fact you designed a vehicle, and a lot of these vehicles are again like that. The more years pass, the more advanced technology becomes. A lot of these cars are computers anyway. But the way that y'all design this and place certain things so that the consumer is dang near forced to come in and spend that type of money, they're not trying to spend or they really don't have. It's ridiculous. It's really ridiculous. So all I'm basically wanting to show y'all, for any of y'all that drive Infinities and whatnot, I don't know if all of them are like that, but this QX60, yeah. You know, I don't know about the other years or whatnot. This is a 2020, but basically, the cabin air filter is all the way back here.